Elevate your Canon Eos Rp photography with the power and versatility of an external speedlight. First, let's get your speedlight mounted. Locate the hot shoe on the top of your Canon Eos Rp. Gently slide the speedlight's mounting foot into the hot shoe until it clicks securely into place. Ensure the electrical contacts on both the speedlight and the camera are aligned. Before we power on, make sure your speedlight has fresh batteries. Most speedlights use ETTL batteries. Insert them following the polarity indicators shown inside the compartment. Now, power on your speedlight and your Canon Eos Rp. Most speedlights will automatically communicate with your camera, but it's good practice to check the flash confirmation light on your camera's viewfinder or LCD screen. On your Eos Rp, navigate to the flash control menu. Here you can select the flash mode. The most common and often most useful mode is ETTL2, which stands for Evaluative Through-Lens Metering. This mode allows the camera to communicate with the speedlight to determine the correct power output for a well-exposed image. Your speedlight likely also has its own ETTL button. Pressing this will configure it to work with your camera's ETTL system. Now, let's talk technique for achieving balanced lighting. Instead of pointing the flash directly at your subject, try bouncing the light. Aim the speedlight's head towards a white ceiling or wall behind your subject. This creates a larger, softer light source that wraps around your subject, reducing harsh shadows and creating a more natural look. Notice the difference in the quality of light. Bouncing the flash avoids the flat, often unflattering look of direct flash. You can also swivel and tilt the speedlight head to control the direction of the bounce. For more creative control, explore manual mode. Here, you can dial in specific power outputs, like 1/1 for full power, 1/2 for half power, and so on. This is excellent for consistent lighting in controlled environments or for creative effects. For even more creative placement, consider using your speedlight wirelessly. Many speedlights have built-in wireless capabilities. You'll typically need a compatible wireless transmitter mounted on your Eos Rp's hot shoe to trigger and control the off-camera speedlight. This opens up a world of dynamic and sculpted lighting possibilities. With these steps, you're well on your way to unlocking professional-quality flash illumination and versatile lighting effects, transforming your Canon Eos Rp photography with the power of speedlights.